Do you think introducing yourself is difficult?
No, Mira and Jack will make everything easy today.
Hello everyone, and welcome back to English Phrases channel, where learning English is easy and fun.
I'm Mira. Great to be here.
Hello, Mira.
Hi, Jack. How are you today?
I'm doing great, thank you. And you? You look... Yes, exactly. But before we start, everyone, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button.
Yes, and click the like button.
And please share our podcast with your friends and family. It helps us a lot.
It really does. Okay, Jack, are you ready?
I am ready.
So, what is our topic today?
Today, our topic is Tell me about yourself.
Ah, a very common question. People ask this all the time.
They do, in a new class, at a new job, when you meet new people.
It's true. And sometimes it's hard to know what to say.
Yes, so today we will talk about it. We will make it easy and fun.
That sounds perfect. So, who starts? You or me?
How about you start, Mira? Tell me about yourself.
Okay. My turn first. Where do I start?
Let's start with the easy one. What is your name?
My name is Mira. M-I-R-A.
Nice to meet you, Mira. My name is Jack.
Nice to meet you too, Jack. So, next question. Where are you from?
Oh, good one. I am from Canada.
Canada? Wow. I am from the United States.
The United States. Very cool. Do you live in a big city?
I live in a small town. I like it. It's quiet. What about you, Jack?
I live in a big city. It's very busy, very noisy, but I love it.
That's great. A small town and a big city. Very different. Yes. And do you live in a house or an apartment? I live in a house. It's a small house. It has a garden.
A garden? Oh, I love gardens. I live in an apartment.
Is it a big apartment? No, it's a small apartment, but it's very nice. I like it. Good. Okay, so we have name, where you are from, and where you live. What's next?
How about how old are you, Mira, if you want to say?
Of course, it's okay. I am 25 years old.
25, a very good age.
Thank you. I think so too. And you, Jack? How old are you?
I am 28 years old.
28. Okay. What do you do?
I'm ready.
Okay, now a big question.
What do you do, Mira?
I am a student.
A student? What do you study?
I study art. I love to draw and paint.
Wow, art. That is so cool. Do you like your studies?
Yes, I love it. It's very fun and creative.
I can see that. An art student and an English teacher.
Yes, a good team. What about you, Jack? What do you do?
I am a teacher. I teach English.
Really? That's wonderful. Do you teach children or adults?
I teach adults. They come to learn English for work or travel.
That must be very interesting.
It is. Every student is different. Some are very shy, some are very talkative.
I can imagine. Do you enjoy teaching?
Yes, very much. I love helping people learn.
That's beautiful, Jack.
Okay, next topic. Do you have any family, Jack?
Yes, I do. I have a big family.
Oh, how many people?
Well, I have my parents, 2 brothers, and 1 sister.
Wow, 4 children? Your house must be very loud.
Yes, it was, especially when we were kids. We always played and fought.
That's normal with siblings. I only have one brother.
Just one? Are you close?
Yes, very close. His name is Tom. He is 22 years old.
What does Tom do?
He is also a student. He studies engineering.
Engineering. Very smart.
Yes, he is very smart. Much smarter than me.
Oh, come on, Mira. Don't say that. Art is also very smart.
Thank you, Jack. You're very kind.
Okay, so we talked about family. Now let's talk about hobbies.
Oh, I love this topic.
Me too. So Mira, what do you like to do in your free time?
Well, I love to paint, of course. That's my biggest hobby.
Of course, you're an art student.
Yes, but I also like other things. I like to read books.
What kind of books?
I love mystery books and romance books.
Mystery and romance. That's a good combination.
Yes, mystery makes me think, and romance makes me happy.
I like that. What else do you like?
I also like to cook.
Really? What do you cook?
I like to make pasta, salads, sometimes desserts.
Desserts. What kind?
I make chocolate cake, cookies, brownies. Sorry, Jack. What about you? What are your hobbies?
Well, I like to read too. I read a lot of books.
What kind?
I like history books and biographies.
History. Interesting.
Yes, I find it very fascinating. I also like to play sports.
Oh, what sports?
I play basketball and I go running.
Running? Every day?
Not every day, maybe 3 or 4 times a week.
Wow, that's a lot. I don't like running. I get tired very fast.
It's okay. Not everyone likes running. Do you do any exercise?
Does walking to the kitchen count?
Mira.
I'm joking. I sometimes do yoga.
Yoga is good. Very relaxing.
Yes, it helps me relax after studying.
Favorite things. Okay, let's talk about favorite things.
Okay, I'm ready.
What is your favorite food?
Oh, that's easy. Pizza.
Pizza. Everyone loves pizza.
Yes, I could eat pizza every day.
Every day? Really?
Well, maybe not every day, but very often. What about you, Jack?
My favorite food is sushi.
Sushi. I like sushi too, but it's expensive.
Yes, it is. So I don't eat it every day either.
We are the same. What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue, like the sky or the ocean.
That's beautiful. My favorite color is yellow.
Yellow, like the sun.
Yes, yellow makes me happy. It's a bright and warm color.
I like that. What about favorite season?
I like spring. The flowers are beautiful, the weather is nice.
Spring is lovely. I like autumn.
Autumn? Why?
I like the colors. The leaves turn red, orange, yellow. It's very beautiful.
That's true. Autumn is very pretty.
Daily routine.
Jack, can I ask you something?
Of course, Mira. What is it?
What do you do every day? I mean, what is your daily routine?
Oh, good question. Okay, let me think. I wake up at 6:30 in the morning.
6:30? That's so early.
Yes, I know, but I like mornings. I feel fresh and energetic.
Lucky you. I am not a morning person.
What time do you wake up?
Around 8 or 8:30. Sometimes even 9.
That's okay. Everyone is different. So after I wake up, I brush my teeth and wash my face.
Of course.
Then I make breakfast. I usually have eggs, toast, and tea.
That sounds nice. What do you do after breakfast?
I go to work. I take the bus. It takes about 30 minutes.
Same as me. I also take the bus to university.
Oh, we are both bus people.
Yes.
So I work from 9 to 5.
That's a long day.
Yes, but I like my job, so it's okay. After work, I go home.
What do you do at home?
I relax, watch TV, or read a book. Sometimes I cook dinner.
What do you cook?
Simple things. Rice, chicken, vegetables, nothing fancy.
That's still good. I usually order food because I'm too lazy to cook after school.
That's okay too. What do you order?
Usually pizza or Chinese food.
Again, pizza.
What can I say? I love pizza.
Fair enough. What time do you go to bed?
Very late. Maybe midnight or 1 a.m.
That's late. I go to bed at 10 or 10:30.
You're very disciplined, Jack.
I try to be, but sometimes I stay up late too, watching movies or talking to friends.
That happens to everyone.
Favorite movies and music?
Jack, do you like movies?
Yes, I love movies.
Me too. What kind of movies do you like?
I like action movies and comedies.
Action movies? With a lot of fighting?
Yes, and car chases and explosions.
Boys love action movies.
What about you? What movies do you like?
I like romantic comedies.
Romantic comedies with a lot of love and kissing?
Yes, and happy endings.
Girls love romantic comedies.
Exactly. What is your favorite movie?
That's hard. Maybe The Dark Knight.
Oh, Batman.
Yes, it's a great movie. What about you?
I love The Notebook.
The Notebook? That's a very sad movie.
Sad but beautiful. I cry every time I watch it.
I can imagine. What about music? Do you like music?
Of course, I love music.
What kind?
I like pop music and R&B.
Who is your favorite singer?
I love Ariana Grande and Beyoncé.
Great choices. I like rock music.
Rock music? Really?
Yes, I love bands like Coldplay and Imagine Dragons.
Oh, I know those bands. They're good.
Mira, can I ask you something serious?
Of course, Jack. What is it?
What are your dreams? What do you want to do in the future?
Oh, that's a big question.
I know, but it's important.
You're right. Well, my dream is to become a professional artist.
That's wonderful.
Thank you. I want to have my own art gallery one day.
Your own gallery? That's amazing.
Yes, I want to display my paintings and sell them.
I believe you can do it, Mira. You are very talented.
Thank you so much, Jack. That means a lot to me. What about you? What are your dreams?
My dream is to open my own language school.
Yes, a school where people can learn English and other languages.
That's a beautiful dream.
Thank you. I want to help as many people as possible.
I'm sure you will, Jack. You're a great teacher.
Thank you. Funny moment. Jack, I have a funny story to tell you.
Oh, I love funny stories. Tell me.
Okay, so last week I was painting in my room.
Uh-huh.
And I had red paint on my hands.
Okay.
My mom called me for dinner, so I went to the kitchen.
With red paint on your hands?
Yes, I forgot about it. And when my mom saw me, she screamed.
She screamed? Why?
She thought it was blood.
Oh no.
Yes, she was so scared. She said, "Mira, what happened to you?"
What did you say?
I said, "Mom, relax. It's just paint."
That's hilarious.
I know. My mom was so angry after that. She said, "Wash your hands before you come to the kitchen."
Your poor mom.
I felt so bad, but it was also very funny.
That's a great story, Mira.
Okay, everyone. We talked a lot today.
Yes, we did. We talked about names, families, hobbies, dreams.
And funny stories.
Yes. I hope everyone learned something today.
Me too. Remember, when someone asks, "Tell me about yourself," just be natural.
Yes, talk about simple things. Your name, your job, your hobbies, your family.
Don't be nervous. Just be yourself.
Exactly.
Okay, everyone. Thank you so much for watching.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
And click the like button.
And share with your friends. We will see you in the next video.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye.